Generally, English learners have a lot of confusions regarding, speaking English and understanding those who are speaking in front of them. It's just because of they have no idea about how to practice to speak in English.
Brought to you by My Career Doctor.
Most trusted spoken English and career counseling clinic.
हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश के साथ योगा, फिटनेस एवं पर्सनल करियर काउंसलिंग देकर आपको बनाते हैं स्मार्ट, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड अप टू डेट.
Well, today in this video, I will teach you that only with the help of is-MR you can speak English. See, I have told this many times, in one day you cannot speak English, but one day you definitely speak English. It means एक दिन में तो नहीं बोल पाएंगे आप, लेकिन एक दिन बोलेंगे जरूर. वो तब when you put efforts from your side consistently. What happens? They try to either mug up a lot of grammars, or they learn a lot of vocabularies, or they watch only English contents without having a proper strategy. Like I always suggest to the learners that you should focus equally on L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. It means you should focus on LSRW technique in order to learn English, develop your communication skills. But like I said you, how to speak English with the help of is-MR only. तो मैं ये assume कर लेता हूँ कि आपको at least the uses of to be, I mean in present, is-MR, past, was, were and future, shall be, will be के uses आते हैं. Now let's begin. अब करना क्या है? Subject, is-MR या फिर was, were और साथ में complement, I mean either noun or adjective आपको use करना है. You just have to be tension free. You can stand in front of a mirror and then try to speak slowly. मेरा नाम प्रकाश है. My name is Prakash or I am Prakash. Here you are not supposed to say hi, myself Prakash or this is Prakash. These two are not appropriate when you talk somebody formally. So either you should say I am Prakash or my name is Prakash. मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. I am a teacher. This is called mind training and mouth. This is called mind training. Whenever you are alone at home, try to do such trainings. You have to tell Hindi yourself and make that translation into English yourself. Either you take the help of Hindi translation or you can speak English directly. I'll tell you that in the last. मैं एक शिक्षक हूं. आई एम अ टीचर. मैं दरभंगा से हूं. आई एम फ्रॉम दरभंगा. मैं खुश हूं. आई एम हैप्पी. यहां पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर हियर. या देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हियर और अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर हियर. सभी खुश हैं. ऑल आर हैप्पी. अच्छा एक बात बताइए. टेल मी प्लीज, ये सभी खुश क्यों हैं? व्हाई आर दे हैप्पी? Through this technique, whatever you know, you just have to translate. हिंदी translations भी आपने ही करने और इंग्लिश भी आपने ही बनाना है. जैसे मैं खुश हूं, आई एम हैप्पी. मैं खुश नहीं हूं, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी. मैं खुश था, आई वॉज हैप्पी. मैं खुश रहूंगा, आई शैल बी हैप्पी. आप क्यों खुश हैं भाई? वाई आर यू हैप्पी ब्रदर? मैं खुश हूं क्योंकि मेरे पिताजी एक किसान हैं. आई एम हैप्पी because my father is a farmer. अच्छा आप भी खुश क्यों नहीं हैं? Why are you not happy also? अच्छा उसका भाई इंजीनियर है. His brother is an engineer. उसके मम्मी पापा इस वक्त मुंबई में हैं. Their parents are in Mumbai. अब आप बोलेंगे ऐसा करने से क्या फायदा होगा? तो this slowly do mind conditioning of yours. That will develop the habit of speaking English. केवल ट्रांसलेशन लिखकर बनाने से तो आएगा नहीं, और न ही केवल ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करने से इंग्लिश आपको आएगी. You should practice LSRW. And I'm talking about how to speak English. Start speaking English with the help of is-MR only. This was what I told you, have to translate from Hindi to English. Now let's talk in English. Let's suppose I'm at my home, sitting and not using cell phone. I have stopped recharging my cell phone. I mean, you know, Airtel SIM card with 899 pack, because that is the most disturbing element. You accept it. So when you have 1.5 GB net or 2 GB net, always you do khit, which is not good. You randomly you go to different. I generally use YouTube and Telegram, or Telegram rarely, once a day, and mostly YouTube videos I watch. So I have stopped. Why? Because that kills our creativity. Do you accept such things kills our creativity? They makes us isolated, and in the starting you enjoy a lot, but slowly they kills your creativity. They finish your life. They make you completely isolated. And there are a lot of things. Topic I want to raise, एक होता है sextortion. इस topic के बारे में अगर नहीं पता हो तो we will talk about it next day. Now coming back to the point. मैं बैठ गया और अब मैं धीरे धीरे क्या करूंगा, इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा. कैसे बोलूंगा? अब मुझे पूरी इंग्लिश तो आती नहीं, ट्रांसलेशंस एंड ग्रामर. आई नो ओनली यूजेज ऑफ इज एम आर. तो मैं बोलूंगा मैं खुश हूं. आई एम हैप्पी. मैं बहुत खुश हूं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आप भी खुश हैं. यू आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी. यू आर नॉट हैप्पी. और यू कैन मेक 6 सेंटेंसेस. आर यू हैप्पी? आर यू नॉट हैप्पी? वाई आर यू हैप्पी? Why are you not happy? My sister is a teacher. Is your sister also a teacher? क्या आपकी भी बहन शिक्षक है? No, she is not a teacher. She is a lawyer. And what about you, Vikash? I am a liar. You are a liar, right? Liar. Great liar. So this is how you have to practice slowly in English. Students are sitting here. I mean, this is continuous tense. Bharat is great. The capital of Bharat is New Delhi. New Delhi is, अब एक स्टोरी मैं क्रिएट कर रहा हूं, 1100 kilometers away from Darbhanga. New Delhi is very beautiful. It has many, consisting of many districts, and the chief minister of Delhi is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. He was in jail some months ago. Now he is out of jail and happy. His wife's name is Mrs. Kejriwal. Pardon? Sunita. Mrs. Sunita Kejriwal. And Arvind Kejriwal is an ex-IES. IAS officer, not IAS, IES, I guess. IES officer, and he was in income tax. As we know, Delhi is the capital of Bharat. So, Honorable Prime Minister along with Honorable Chief Minister, they also live there. Delhi is the political capital of India, Bharat, and Mumbai is the financial capital of Bharat. A lot of factories and companies are there in Delhi NCR. People from different cities and states of our country, they migrate to Delhi. मैं धीरे धीरे क्या कर रहा हूं, किसी एक टॉपिक पर बोल रहा हूं. I was also in Delhi for 8 to 10 years, and it was a great moment for me. I try to speak with the help of 2B की मदद से ही मैं केवल बोल रहा हूं. I was in Noida, and for a year in Delhi, and for a year in Gurgaon, and most of the times I spent in Noida. My friends are still there in Noida, and they are very happy. Now I am not in Noida, I am in Darbhanga. So this is how, my dear friends, आप शुरुआत तो हिंदी टू इंग्लिश करेंगे, बट धीरे धीरे आप कैसे बोलेंगे? How will you try to speak English? अब आप बोलेंगे इसका बेनिफिट क्या होगा, तो आई टेल यू द बेनिफिट ये होगा बच्चा पार्टी. लेट सपोज कोई बच्चा है, उसे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. एट वंस और इन द स्टार्टिंग ही और शी कैन नॉट गेट अ गुड एनवायरमेंट. सो ही और शी should follow the rules of LSRW, and along with that, very first they should do enormity. I mean, not friendship. Enormity means you should make your cell phone enemy. Don't use cell phone always. Just keep the cell phone away. This is how you should practice at home. तो ऐसा करने से क्या होगा कि धीरे धीरे आपको क्या आएगा? confidence, and you will begin to speak in English. This is the best trick which I applied on myself and I learned how to speak in English. Now it's your turn to apply this and try to speak in English. I'm Namsior. You definitely try this. Thank you very much. Have a great time.